I got these screws, which are just slightly longer than the original ones. I take this one, I put 2 washers on it, and put the original nut on the back. I'm gonna tape this nut back here so it's not gonna come out, so I won't have to wrestle with it while I'm standing on the ladder. And I'm gonna put some glue up first, not too much so it won't run, and then tighten it down. That's what I'm gonna do, folks. We'll see how it goes. I got some JB Weld. All right, folks. Okay, YouTube. Well, I cannot put the window, JB Weld the window back up to that little bracket up there because it's breaking apart. So I saw an area behind the bracket that JB Weld got it stuck though. It's working good. I see an area behind the bracket. I'm gonna end up drilling some holes. Wait a minute. This little dimples behind the bracket where the screw holes go for the window. I'm gonna drill some holes all the way through to the other side and fasten the window down and glue it up real good. That's what I'm gonna end up doing. New bunk window costs $1,000. I ain't ready to pay that. I'm gonna take this panel off and work from there. We'll see how it goes. What I ended up doing, it was 10 screws holding that window in there. So what I ended up doing is pulling that window out, and the 2 screws that was connected to that latch, I drill straight through the frame, and I'm just going to fasten it down to where it can't open. Straight through the frame, and fasten this glass to this and put it back on the truck, and it won't come out again. That's what I'm in up doing. Okay, folks, I'll show you when I'm done. Well, it's back in and it's looking good. My blinds come down, but I can't get no more out of this son of a bitch. But at least I didn't pay $1,000 for a new window. If you never try to open it, it'll be okay. It looks good. Save that money.